Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to guide you about Cushman Furniture. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Cushman Furniture was a Vermont furniture manufacturer that became well known for its unique collection of American-made furniture. The company went out of operation in 1980, after changing hands many times near the conclusion of its existence. Cushman, like other New England furniture businesses such as Ethan Allen, Stickley, and Hardin Furniture, benefited from Vermont's hardwood woods. Cushman Furniture is a company that specializes in the sale of. Cushman Furniture Company is a company that manufactures and sells furniture. Cushman Furniture was an inventive company that shifted gears multiple times in its early years, to satisfy shifting market expectations in the United States. Solid materials and tough American craftsmanship were hallmarks of the company's furniture. The Cushman Furniture Company has a long and illustrious history. In 1886, the H.T. Cushman Manufacturing Company became the Cushman Furniture Company. Smaller items such as coat racks, hat hangers, and other accessories were among the company's first offerings. However, by 1900 the company had begun making furniture to suit the expanding demand for high-quality furniture. The company rose to prominence in the early 1900s as a manufacturer of mission-style furniture, but as the style's popularity waned by the 1910s, the company shifted its focus once more. They started making smokers or smoking stands, were well known for their products marketed at middle-class families and college students. Smoker stands had fallen out of favor by the 1930s, and the corporation was looking for a new method to revitalize its portfolio. In 1933 they unveiled a new collection of furniture inspired by the early 19th century colonial revival trend. Cushman Colonial Creations. The new brand was a hit and the business began making colonial-inspired furniture in earnest for the following few decades. Colonial furniture by Cushman. Usually found in the drawer, the Cushman Colonial Furniture tag. General Industries bought the company in 1965, and Green Mountain Furniture Company bought it from General Industries in 1971. Green Mountain Furniture, on the other hand, went out of business in 1980, and with it Cushman Furniture. Products of the Cushman Furniture Company. The Cushman Furniture Company's regular reinvention, which coincided with the launch of new goods, is one of the company's most distinctive features. The company's first goods were modest home decorations and pieces. Its second revival saw the debut of mission-style furniture, its third revival saw the production of a wide range of smoking stands, and its last reinvention saw the establishment of a decades-long line of colonial revival furniture. Bedroom sets, dining room sets, and furnishings for practically every room in the house were all part of its colonial revival furniture range. Beautiful Vermont maple is featured in some of Cushman's most iconic goods. In fact, Cushman used some lovely finishes that really brought out the color and depth of the maple wood. Cushman Furniture Company is a company that sells furniture. Cushman Colonial Furniture Company makes beautiful maple furniture. Cleaning Cushman Vintage Furniture. Use a mild cleanser like Murphy's oil soap and warm water to clean old Cushman furniture. This aids in the removal of any dirt or buildup of polish or cleanses. Then, to restore the finish of Cushman furniture, you can use a variety of products. Simple Howard's Restore a Finish in various hues can of course assist restore the original sheen. Simply use a soft t-shirt cloth to apply it. After that you can polish back the light sheen using thick wax or beeswax. Of course you can easily restore your Cushman furniture if the finish is severely damaged. The majority of old Cushman furniture is constructed of solid wood boards. So sanding off the finish and staining is a fairly simple process. Purchasing Cushman Furniture Company products. Some pointers if you're thinking about buying something from Cushman Furniture Company, keep the following pointers in mind. Tip: use the style of furnishings to narrow down the date. Of course, this is the most accurate method for determining the age of old Cushman furniture. Because the company has undergone multiple pivots throughout its history, it is surprisingly simple to narrow down furniture dates based on the type of furniture you want to buy. Mission-style furniture will be around 1900 to 1910. Smoking stands will be around 1910 to 1920s, or early 1930s at the earliest, and colonial revival furniture will be around 1933 to 1964 when the company was bought. When shopping for Cushman Furniture Company products, keep the above tips in mind. Cushman Furniture has the best value, worth and costs. From current listings, the following is a reference and research on Cushman Furniture. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.